Today I want to share with you about the course that we just developed. The new course is the therapeutic value of art and play. I think we are in a stage where we are so driven for success and we put our children in therapies of all kinds. And we actually work from a problem-centered situation. While in this workshop, I would like to tell you about the possibilities and the wonderful experiences that people can have if they just play and enjoy art. The moment you know that you're being assessed, you don't perform at your best. And the very same goes for children in therapy. If they know that you're going to assess their drawings, if you're going to make some sort of conclusion, they already believe that there's something wrong with them. So, I'm an advocate for enjoying art and play, and even the things that is important like nature without a secret agenda. When you can sit and you can just draw because you enjoy it, where you can tell a story because you love telling stories. Photography is the very same thing. So as you go through this course, you will get an overview of the value of art. The pictures that you've just seen are pictures that I drew in difficult periods of my life, but there's no secret significance. And I don't wish anybody to go and dissect it because it was purely for me to enjoy that very moment. If you're in my office, you will see there's a lot of things where I just sit, and in the times when I need to be silent, I draw. There's no agenda. And when I work with young people, I encourage them, play with color, play with sound, so that you can enjoy the moment. The therapeutic value of art and play is in enjoying the moment.